Hey guys, what's up? So in the last video we discussed the specifications of the Galaxy S21 series, and now we have some interesting news about the launch of the phone as well as the price. Also we have some renders of the Galaxy S21 from OnLeaks and XLeaks 7, and both the renders look identical, pretty much confirming the design. The most notable difference from the Galaxy S20 includes a flat display that might be 6.2 inch in size. Also the bezels are uniform all around. However, the top bezel looks to be a bit thicker compared to the S20 as shown by Ice Universe. The camera housing on the rear now extends from the middle frame on the side. It contains 3 cameras just like last time, but the design doesn't look the best to me, and I hope it looks better in reality. The Galaxy S21 is rumored to get a 4000 mAh battery just like its predecessor and has the same thickness at 7.9mm excluding the camera bump. However, it will be 2.1mm taller than S20. It will be powered by the Exynos 2100 or Snapdragon 875, and both should perform equally well. Now what's interesting is that Samsung is planning to announce the S21 series a little early than before. Usually the company would host an Unpacked event in February, but rumors point to a January launch for the S21, which is a month before the S20 series was announced. Also the phones might be available towards the end of the month or early next month. Now Samsung might be doing this for various reasons, but they may also want to take further advantage of Huawei's absence in the US and other key markets. The other reason might be that Samsung wants to widen the gap further between the main S flagship and the Fan Edition, as they have promised to launch Fan Editions of the premium S series every year. Samsung may also want to have a separate launch for the Galaxy Z Flip, as the company is heavily focusing on foldable smartphones and would not like the Z Flip series to appear as a sidekick. According to reports, the suppliers have already begun mass production of components to be used in the S21 series. Also, the charging speed of the Galaxy S21 has been certified by 3C in China, and it doesn't surprise at all as the company would be sticking to the 25W charging speed for the base models at least. The phone has been certified to come with a 25W charger in the box and won't be offering any upgrades in that department. So we can't say if the S21 Ultra will feature the rumored 65W charging or not. Moving on, the S21 series is also reported to cost less in manufacturing at least, as Samsung has recently negotiated some pretty steep price cuts on a few components, including the RF components and screens from Samsung Wireless and Samsung Display respectively. The price cuts are rumored to be in the ballpark of 8 to 9%, which is huge considering the display is one of the most expensive parts in a phone. Don't get too excited though, as the company may not pass these savings to the consumers, as it has a strong focus on profitability in the past few years, which is evident by the pricing of the Galaxy Note 20, I guess. That being said, do let me know what do you think about the S21's design in the comments. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it, and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.